The comeback after 8 months of falling down. Part 1. The fall. 3 habits that broke me. Maybe no one ever thought that one day I would be lying motionless on a bed, unable to sit up on my own. I suffered a spinal injury after months of training the wrong way. But the truth is, it wasn't just an accident. It was the result of 3 bad habits I had built over the years. The first habit: training for ego, not for health. I always wanted more reps, more weight, and forgot that the body also has its limits. The second habit: lack of rest. I underestimated sleep, thinking that willpower was enough. But no, willpower can't save a body that's already burned out. And the last habit: ignoring proper technique, push-ups, planks, squats. I did them all wrong. Wrong posture, wrong alignment, and the price I paid was 8 months of recovery. At first, I couldn't accept it, but eventually, I learned to start again, in the water. I practiced breathing, moved slowly through the pool, where the water's pressure was gentler than gravity itself, and little by little, I began to heal. Every kick, every time I lifted my head above the surface, was a small victory. And right there, beneath the calm water, I heard a voice inside me whisper, "Don't give up. You can still come back." Part 2. A new chapter, starting again in the power industry. As my body recovered, I applied for a job at an electric power company. It was a completely different world, disciplined, demanding, and full of responsibility. I was no longer the guy who only trained for himself. I learned how to observe, how to listen, how to work as a team. The power lines and the tall pylons taught me something profound. Electricity is only strong when the connection is right. People are the same. When I reconnected with my teammates and with my own body, the energy inside me started to flow again. I worked hard, took every chance to learn. But deep inside, there was still something missing. As if I was living, but not truly alive. Part 3. Finding myself again, through every push-up. One evening after work, I looked into the mirror in my small rented room. My body was weaker, my shoulders no longer square, and my eyes had lost their determination. That's when I realized I had lost myself the moment I fell. So I decided to start over, with one push-up, slow, shaky, painful, but in that pain, I felt alive again. The first day, I managed 5, then 10, then 20. No longer for numbers, no longer for appearance, but because I wanted to look in the mirror and feel proud of the person staring back at me. I recorded every day, every drop of sweat, every small step forward. And after 8 long months, I came back, stronger, more grounded, and more grateful than ever. If you're going through the darkest time of your life, remember this: light isn't waiting at the end of the tunnel. It's already within you. You just have to dare to begin again, even if it's only with one single push-up. I fell, I lost my way, but I came back, not to prove anything to anyone, but to live true to myself.